Hi friends! Welcome back to Uthra Srini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This easy pasta recipe will satisfy any pasta craving. Italian creamy tomato basil sauce with perfectly cooked pasta and sautéed vegetables is the perfect meal. And it's 100% vegan. Without any further ado, let's get cooking. First, heat a pan and bring water to a boil to cook the pasta. In the meantime, let's sauté some yummy and healthy vegetables. Heat a pan, add olive oil. You can substitute olive oil with butter if you wish. Add finely minced shishito peppers and garlic and sauté for 45 seconds. Don't have shishito peppers? No worries, you can substitute with green chilies. Add chopped onion and sauté until the onions become soft. Alright, water is coming to a boil. Let's add some salt and cook the pasta. First, add carrots and sauté for 1 minute. Water is ready. Let's add the pasta and cook pasta al dente. Add beans and sauté for 1 minute. Add salt for taste. Add squash and continue cooking. Add about a teaspoon of dried oregano. And sauté the veggies. Pasta has cooked well. Let's remove and set it aside. We are just going to remove and add it to sautéed vegetables. If you are going to cook pasta first and then sauté your vegetables, we must transfer pasta to a bowl with cold water. Drain and use when needed. Here's a tip for all of those who want to store their cooked pasta for later. Spread cooked pasta to a baking tray and drizzle some olive oil and allow them to cool either on the counter or on a cooler. Once pasta has cooled completely, transfer to a container and refrigerate. Cooked pasta stays fresh for up to 72 hours. Refrigerator must be at proper temperatures, preferably below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. It's time to add some cherry tomatoes. Give it a good mix. Add our freshly made Italian creamy tomato basil sauce and mix well. If you haven't watched our video to make this yummy flavorful sauce, please click the video that pops up. Toss in the cooked pasta, mix well. No dish is completed without a lavish sprinkle of fresh chopped herbs. We are using some parsley, thyme, and basil, freshly picked from our vegetable garden. Mix well and turn off the stove. Transfer this to a serving dish. Enjoy this vegan creamy tomato basil pasta and enjoy this recipe with your friends and family. Would you rather eat a tomato flavored pizza or a pizza flavored tomato? I think I would choose a tomato flavored pizza. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!